Hey everyone, John Capobianco here, and as I'm going to say, hi, my name is John. Now, that's American Sign Language and the only thing I've learned in American Sign Language. But let me share my screen and explain, let's work backwards, right? So I'm going to watch that video, but first, someone asked about some of my audio-video accessibility for Gemini-CLI, and I was a little confused, and they explained that they're a deaf professional, and audio is great, but if they can't speak or if they can't hear, the audio doesn't do much for them. So let's go ahead and watch this video, and I'm going to describe what's going on here. So I'm entering Gemini YOLO mode, and I have a new MCP and a new / command. Right now I'm starting the camera. And you're going to see that it's going to start the camera. Now on my Mac, the little green light shows up and now the camera is open and ready. The next thing I'm going to do is do ASL mode with a duration of 10 seconds. And you watch me in the top corner here, I'm going to sign what I just signed to you. And we're going to see if we can use American Sign Language to talk. Here we go. I'm about to, so it tests the camera, and now it starts in burst mode. So it's recording all of this in bursts through the webcam, and it's going to make a list of images here. Now I sample every other image for the sake of tokens and for the sake of processing time and cost, but we're going to process these images with a prompt that I basically say, right, assess these images from left to right chronologically, interpreting them as American Sign Language. And in a second here, you're going to see that it understands that I said, hello, my name is John. Now I'm spawning a one-shot prompt here, passing in those files. And there it is, right? Hello, my name is John. Now, the Capobianco part, it got from Gemini MD, and it doesn't know where I work. It kind of hallucinated a bit, but it says, nice to meet you. So it interpreted that American Sign Language. Hello, my name is, right? Nice to meet you. Now, I'm going to do a single capture here. And if you keep watching me, I'm going to kind of put my thumbs up and make a smiley face. And this is not ASL mode. This is just a single one-time capture. Just to, further enhance this idea of connecting our webcam directly to our CLI. So, in a second, it's going to just confirm that the camera's ready, and then take the single snapshot, and then describe what it sees through vision. Right? So there we go. It's captured the JPEG, and now it's going to describe, again using the shell command, as a one-shot prompt, describe this image. Now we can pass it prompts. I can enable the webcam in capture mode and pass it an overriding prompt. But check this out. This is a close-up eye-level photograph of a smiling, fair-skinned man with thick, curly, reddish-brown and gray beard and mustache. He has curly brown hair and is looking directly at the camera, giving a thumbs up with both hands. He's wearing a plaid button-down shirt and a gold wedding band on his left ring finger. The background is split between a bright green screen on the left and a blue wall on the right. A bright light from the ceiling fixture is visible at the top of the frame, creating some lens flare. The overall mood of the image is positive and cheerful. All right, now that is American Sign Language and a webcam capture mode. So let's go back to the screen and we're going to look at a little bit of the code. So I have an MCP that I'm using FastMCP to create. All right. I have some code to open the camera and close the camera, to grab frames, etc. I instantiate my MCP. I decorate my tools: list camera, vision start, vision status, vision capture, vision burst, vision stop, and I run the MCP. You have to install a couple of things in a virtual environment. I recommend just calling it Vision MCP in this folder after you clone it. And then we have the actual / commands. There's ASL mode, capture, devices, help, start, status, stop. Now, I can't really show it here on my Windows machine yet because I'm still fussing with WSL and my webcam, but on the Mac works remarkably. The other thing is my Mac picks up my iPhone as an input source. So I could technically take a selfie with my camera and have the AI describe it through my phone. I pointed it at my dog who wandered into the room, took a photo, and it described that it had seen a golden retriever. So, American Sign Language for accessibility and much more, and one-time on-demand snapshots of your webcam, all tied through the multimodal Gemini CLI. All this stuff is on the GitHub repo. Please like and subscribe. Please give me stars on the repo. And please spread the word that Gemini CLI can now see through vision mode. All right, we'll see you soon.